Today I'm going to show you how to import a preset in HandBrake quickly and easily. If you already have a saved preset file, this is a really useful way to bring in custom settings without rebuilding everything from scratch. It's perfect for keeping your exports consistent, saving time, and making sure your videos are encoded exactly the way you want. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open HandBrake on your computer. Once the program is open, look at the top of the window and find the preset menu. This is where HandBrake keeps its built-in presets, and it's also where you can import your own custom ones. Go ahead and click on Preset to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, choose Import from File. This tells HandBrake that you want to load a preset from an external file rather than selecting one that already exists in the app. After you click that option, a file browser window will appear. Now navigate to the location where you saved your preset file. In most cases, this will be a .json file, so make sure you're selecting the correct preset file that you previously exported or downloaded. If you have multiple files in the folder, take a moment to confirm you're choosing the right one so you don't import the wrong settings. Once you've found the .json preset file, click on it to highlight it, then click Open. HandBrake will now import the preset into the program. This usually only takes a moment, and once it's finished, the preset will be added to your list automatically. After the import is complete, check the preset panel again. You should see your new preset appear under the Custom Presets category. That means the import works successfully, and the preset is now ready to use anytime you want. From here, you can select that preset whenever you need it and apply it to your video encoding workflow. This is especially helpful if you use the same settings across different projects or if someone else has shared a preset with you that you want to reuse. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to import a preset in HandBrake using a saved JSON file. It's a fast process, but it can make a big difference if you want to streamline your video exporting setup. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.